All right. We got Mr. Green right here. Hi, Mr. Green. He flew over to come see us. No, I only brought a couple things, handfuls, to feed Mama Duck. But then all these geese are coming over here and bombarding her. Mama Duck, be careful.
Damn it. Why am I not getting Mr. Green?
Look at Mr. Green.
Mr. Green?
Hi, Mr. Green. He's just chilling. Came over for a visit. Okay, bye. All right, now Mr. Green really came over to say hi.
What you doing, Mr. Green?
Yeah, them geese can be mean, huh?
You just yelled at them geese. Green.
Yeah, I was like, what the hell is that sound?
That was cool.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh, look at him. Look at him. He's calling.
Oh, look. All right, guys. Oh, he's doing a thing with his chin. Look.
He's hot.
I mean, he looks small for Mr. Green. But, I mean, it's got to be him. Because he only comes over to say hi to us. Yep, coming over. Hi, Mr. Green. Okay, bye.